today we're making gingerbread back cookies. So, before you do this, you need your hands to be clean, which I already washed my hands. So you need dough, you need flour, you need a back shape, and you need sprinkles and a roller pin. Before you roll out your dough and stuff, you need to break it up into pieces like this. Oh, we almost got one piece done. I guess. That wasn't that long to me. Boom, got one piece done, baby. I don't know why I said baby, but whatever. Now we're on our second piece of dough. Squeeze it down. Okay, and let's put it onto my rolling pin, I guess. Okay, now we got another piece done, baby. Woo! I don't know why I keep saying baby, but it's one of my favorite words, okay? So, it's not like baby. Not like baby brothers. Baby. Not like that baby. Go Hawks, baby. Won't like that baby. Because I'm a Hawks fan. If you are, comment down below. But now we are going... Wait, only got 3 pieces done. We only got one. Only 8 pieces to go, but this is my 8, so there's only 10 pieces in total that I broke it open. Oh no, this one's got flour in it. Okay. And I have to squeeze. Okay. Oh my goodness. Yeah, squeezing it down was much better. Because then it goes down even more. Oh, there. I almost done something. Woo! Good hawks, baby. Woo! I'm running down the hawks down. Okay. Okay, I don't really want this to go in there. So I'm just going to put it there. Like that. Oh no, it's still got flour. We need to get the flour over here. Okay, got that one over here because I don't want it to go with the others. So let's just put that underneath there. Oh yeah. Oh, I broke it into pieces. Oh no. I'm gonna stick that together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on a hole. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. If you know the song Baby Shark, let's sing it with me. Wait, baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark, do do, baby shark. Mommy shark, do do do, mommy shark, do do do, mommy shark, do 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 do, shark. Okay, let's do that one again. Daddy shark do do do, daddy shark do do do, daddy shark do do do, daddy shark. Grandma shark do do do, grandma shark do do do. I'm so confused. It's not doing it. I might need a little more dough for this one. It's not like this one. Yeah, okay, let's just use the rolling pin. Squeeze. Okay, yeah, that's really shaped out. I don't even sound like. Oh my days, look, that's ripping out so much. Oh my days, I'm not even like making a mistake. Oh, I think I dropped some on the floor, but I didn't. Okay, please, 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 please. Okay, it looks so nice. Okay, maybe we'll just leave it there because I don't want to. Now I'm going to do this one. Okay. Mix it. I don't think it down. Mix it down. I'm just going to use the rolling pin. Hear that sound? Okay, that's a good bet. Oh no, the air isn't sure. Okay, let's go for that again, one more time. Because it won't put the movement. you just flipped a bit of dough. Oh no, let me go and get it quickly. Hold on. Oh, that was quite clear. I flipped that part off. So let's just go around the head first because I don't know why I just went around the head. Then we're going to put it there and just gently move it to that. Okay, now it's done. Stop. So for my next factory, oh, didn't know where the thing was. Okay, ready? Set, we're going this cover. Okay. This won't stick on. It won't stick on. No, we'll stop. Let's use the roller. Okay, is it done? I can't. I took the whole thing off. Fast. Let's get this to take off. Okay, good. Got 3 bats. Now I finish all of my bats. Now my nana's going to put them in the oven.
Don't feel me, okay?
That's all my bats. And off they go to cook. Now, I've finished putting on the back. So we are going to add some sprinkles, which I really want to eat again. Why not? Sprinkles all day long. Guys, I don't care if it goes on his face. And we need some more. And this is making a huge mess, but whatever. Then Nana can clean it out.
No, you can't.
Ta-da! Over there. So now I'm just gonna. Let's do this. Now it's a rainy day. Now we're finished. Now we can eat them.